for this institute from my college. I am actually an incubation student. And I want to tell you about this institute is that it is a very good and best platform to enhance the skills and technical skills. And for the freshers, after the leaving of college, the freshers needed some technical knowledge and to get a better future in the IT field. And I hope I got all the skills from this institute. And so that even after I am the incubation student, this institute give me equal importance in every opportunities. I tell you thank you for every trainers. Here the very good trainers and very having a lot of knowledge. Their way of the teaching is very good. And I especially tell you thank you for the Sayed sir, Vivek sir, and all HR team support team. This give me a better opportunity to start my career in the IT field. When we come to the point of the interview, I attended the drive conducted by the Global Swap, that is conducted by the Jspiders. And I cleared the two rounds. Two rounds is there. One is task based, another one is face to face round is there. I cleared the two rounds and get placed in this company in the role of React JS developer. And I would like to tell you happily tell you that institute for starting my career in the IT field.